So we can make. It's not a picture. It can only be 10 minutes long though.
Why are we taking videos?
Because I want to put them on YouTube.
Why are we taking videos?
Because YouTube. Because of YouTube. I like YouTube.
Why are you taking videos? I'm not listening. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm ugly and she was pointing at me.
No, you're not ugly.
No, what are you doing? Don't zoom in on my sandwich.
I know, it's because I don't put it on my neck.
It's because my little sister does the same thing. Stop.
Why is it camera shy? I'm grinning.
Shit, I thought you were coming like later.
Haha. 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 Hi, dear. You're so stupid. Everybody likes the song that's on.
What's the song?
Haven't you yet? No.
Eyeball.
See, your eyeballs are pretty.
No, we're not.
Yes, they are.
Brittany, let me see your eyeball.
We've closed up on everybody's eyeballs.
Let me see your eyeball.
Brittany, look at me. Look at me. If you love me, you'll look at me. If you love me, you'll look at me.
I'll bite you.
I can.
Look at I got a flatbread thing.
Yeah, look at
They're good.
Look at your eyes.
Have you had them before?
Now zoom in on her eyes. Yeah, keep it open or I'll bite you.
Hold on, I have to hide my zit. Oh, funny moments.
I'm sorry, what did you hit? What did you hit? Did you hit anything? Okay, I thought you hit my
She's
chair
just
with
over
your
dramatic.
You put videos on YouTube?
face. Yes, we just did that last night.
Why?
Because
this
it's
is
so
gonna be
fun
on
and I've
YouTube?
never actually had to